Matt, and today we are making banana bread from scratch. And the ingredients you need are bananas, flour, baking soda and salt, brown sugar, eggs, and butter. The first thing you need to do to make banana bread is mash up all the bananas that I already peeled gummy bears for in this bowl right here. So first I'm going to mash them up like this. These bananas are really ripe, so they are easy to mash and you don't want to make it so smooth. Okay, the bananas are all smashed. The next thing to do is combine the salt, baking soda, and the flour. Crack the eggs. Is to combine the butter and the brown sugar in this bowl. So add the eggs. Add the dry ingredients a little bit at a time. And every time you start stirring, you have to stir until you can't see most of it, and then you can put a little bit more. Okay, I am almost done stirring, but I have to add the last little bit. And every time you add more flour, it gets harder and harder and harder to stir. You don't want to really see any flour. Okay, so I'm all done stirring. The next thing that I like to do for my banana bread is a special ingredient, chocolate chips. So I'm going to add a few chocolate chips. Put it into a greased pan. And then I put it in the oven. I'll see you in an hour. So it's been 1 hour and I think it's done, but it might not, so let's check it in a good state. It came out clean, it's done. So after I let it cool, I'm going to have it with a good glass of milk. Bye guys, thanks for watching.